SportsNOLA.com. It's our first NBC weekend preview. I'm Lenny Van Gilder. Ken Trahan on the road. He'll be back with us on Monday. The NBA basketball season is over as the Miami Heat have claimed their second world championship, having beaten Oklahoma City in 5 games. So now the attention shifts to the NBA draft coming up this Thursday night. And, of course, the New Orleans Hornets with the number 1 pick expected to take Kentucky's Anthony Davis. Now, what will the Hornets do at number 10? And they've also added another pick this week at number 46 as part of the trade with the Washington Wizards, also bringing in Rashard Lewis, who is expected never to see the floor for the Hornets. He will likely be bought out of his contract. Emeka Okafor and Trevor Ariza on their way to D.C. as part of that trade. So a lot of NBA news will certainly be coming your way in the next week, and of course stay tuned to SportsNOLA.com for more of that. We're down to 3 teams in the College World Series. Arizona is in the finals. They will play an SEC team. Will it be Arkansas or South Carolina? That will be decided on Friday night. The SEC looking to keep their run going of national championships, and the survivor, whether it's the Gamecocks or the Razorbacks, will then take on Arizona in a best-of-3 series that will get underway Sunday night. Big weekend up in Natchitoches. It's the Louisiana Sports Hall of Fame inductions. Ceremonies got underway on Thursday, continuing on Friday, and the actual induction takes place on Saturday night. The headliners, Deuce McAllister and Warrick Dunn, the former NFL running backs. Full class of 8 going in. Also, congratulations to our own Bill Bumgardner of SportsNOLA.com, who will be honored with the Distinguished Service Award in Sports Journalism as part of Saturday night's ceremonies. Voodoo on the road at Orlando tonight. It's a homecoming of sorts for Pat O'Hara, the Voodoo coach, who's returning to his former stomping grounds for this game, and the game will be televised by NFL Network, so you can watch it there. We'll have a complete recap of the weekend right here at SportsNOLA.com and our video updates on Monday, so check back with us then, and of course stay with SportsNOLA.com for all of the latest Louisiana sports news. I'm Lenny Van Gilder. See you Monday.